Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, we have a good news for all the job aspirants waiting since long time for the recruitments in Karnataka. As per the government's official communication, recruitment processes are going to start within 30 days. This was actually already claimed by the government, and Minister D.K. Patil had also told this in the press meet. This is all going on since a week or so, starting from the protest of the job aspirants in Dharwad. But now we have a written proof for this claim. I am showing you this DPAR issued official letter. Now this letter clearly states that recruitment notifications should be initiated within 30 days. So now we have authentic proof to tell you that you can start preparing seriously for your CET exams like HSTR, GPSTR, PSTR, and of course CRISE was also there in this list. Okay, now let me explain this official letter. What does it actually say? See, actually this story started from the internal reservation, right? Actually in 2022 there was implementation of the internal reservation related to SC and SCs, and because of this implementation the total reservation increased to 56%. However, some individuals actually challenged this 56% total reservation in the High Court, and in November the High Court passed an interim order. What did the court say? In that order, the court clearly stated that until the reservation case is finally decided, government should not issue new recruitment notification based on that what is the increased 6% reservation. No, based on that. This actually means that additional 6% reservation portion is kept hold by the court. But what is more important here means the court did not stop recruitment of the rest 50% reservation, right? So recruitment under the 50% reservation system should continue. That is what the meaning of the order is actually. Now coming to this latest official DPR letter, government has now clarified that recruitment processes will begin within 30 days. However, this will be done excluding the additional 6% reservation because it is actually under legal consideration now. So practically speaking, recruitment system is being activated based on the existing 50% structure. Okay, and the final decision of the increased portion will actually depend upon the court's judgment, right? Now why this letter is important for us means it is giving the clarification that we cannot say that this is a rumor now. Now we can also not say that this is a political talk now, because this is an official DPR document. So the government has formally indicated that the process will begin within 30 days. Now after all the fight and all that, you all aspirants have got the fruit of the fight, we can say. Now the responsibility shifted towards you all, the aspirants, because see, this was the fight for the recruitment notification. Now your actual fight starts for the preparation of the CET, right? See, I know many candidates who have been preparing with us for exams like HSTR, GPSTR, and of course TET also, CRISE also, since more than 4 years. Now they have continued their preparation even during the uncertainty also. They have already revised the entire syllabus multiple times. They have practiced extensively everything related to the syllabus. So when the notification comes, you will be competing with those aspirants now. So competitive exams need consistency, right? Not the last minute effort. So the merit list does not consider how long you have waited or how much you have fought for the notification, but the merit list will reflect your performance in the CET. So now you should not feel pressure related to whether the recruitment will come or no. You should feel the pressure related to the CET now. Okay, so you need to start smartly, start right now. make a timetable. If you cannot make a timetable, follow our readily available timetables. All the batches we have given timetables, right? So you have to make your fundamentals and basics strong. Either it is the specific subject like physics, chemistry, maths, biology, or science for that matter, or the paper one type topics also. GK, mental aptitude, CDP is there, educational psychology is there for HSTR, computer ability is there, grammar is there. So in all of that you should be getting expertise now. Okay, so you have to monitor your accuracy also, and you have to learn how to do time management also. See, this is the right time because you still have time. They are telling that within 30 days recruitment should come. That means recruitment should start, the process should start by end of the March, right? So if the recruitment process will start by end of the March, then also you will have at least 2 months. So total you have 3 months for the CET now, as per the DPAR official letter, if we logically think, right? And according to me, 3 months are good enough to go for thorough preparation. Either it is GPSTR or HSTR. Okay, in fact we have planned our batches also that way only. Okay, so whenever the final notification is released, you should feel prepared. So you need to begin today. You need to stay disciplined, you need to stay consistent, and most importantly, stay positive and stay calm. Don't spread negativity in the Telegram groups also, and don't spread negativity in your mind also, because that negativity will eat all your strength. It will reduce all your efforts. Please try to stay positive and start preparing right now. However, we are always there with you till your exam date. Whatever doubts you have, if you are a paid course aspirant, you can ask in your batches group in the Telegram, or if you are an aspirant who is watching our free classes, you can join our Telegram group. You will get the link in the description below this video, or you can also mail us, or if you have any query related to enrollment in any course, you can also write to us in the WhatsApp. Okay, so please try to understand that the merit list of CET will simply reflect who used the preparation window properly. I mean to say, who used this 2 to 3 months properly. Okay, so I really hope that you all are taking this seriously. Thank you. All the best. Bye.